A body is displaced from RA is equal to 2I plus 4J minus 6K to RB is equal to 6I minus 4J plus 2K under a constant force. F is equal to 2I plus 3J minus K. Done. Body displaced from RA is equal to 2I plus 4J plus minus 6K to RB is equal to 6I minus 4J plus 2K. A force is acting on the body is F is equal to 2I plus J minus K. Find the work done. Find the work done. You know that W is equal to F dot S, but S is equal to RB minus RA. Here S is equal to RB 6I minus 4J plus 2K minus RA is 2I cap plus 4J cap minus 6K cap. S is equal to, so 6I minus 2I 4I minus 4J minus 4J. So 8J cap plus 2K plus 6K, 8K cap. Work done is equal to force is 2I plus J minus K dot 4I minus 8J plus 8K. Here 2 into 4, 8, I dot I 1 plus 1 into minus 8, 8, J dot J 1 minus 1 into 8 minus 8, K dot K 1. So here plus 8 minus 16, that is equal to minus 8 joules. So this is the work done by the force which is acting on the body. A force F is equal to 2xi plus 2j cap plus 3z square k Newton is acting on a particle. Find the work done by the force in displacing the body from coordinate system 1, 2, 3 meters to coordinate system 3, 6, 1 meters. According to the given problem, F is equal to 2xi cap plus 2j cap plus 3z square k cap. So this is the force acting on the particle. The coordinate system here 1, 2, 3 meters to 3, 6, 1 meter. So we have to calculate the work done. Work done by the variable force. Work done by variable force. W is equal to integral of F dot dr. Here F components and dr are the F components. F is equal to F of x cap, F of x I cap, F of Fi j cap plus Fz k cap. Dr is equal to dxi cap. Okay, start. Work done is equal to integral of 1 to 3 F of x I cap means 2x I cap into dx cap plus integral of 2 to 6 2j cap into dyj cap plus integral of 3 to 1 3z square k cap into dz k cap. W is equal to integral of 1 to 3 2x dx plus I dot I 1 integral of 2 to 6 2j dot dyj dot. So 2 into dy j dot j 1 integral plus integral of 3 to 1 3z square k dot dz k. So k dot k 1 Therefore 3z square dz. Here x to the power of integral x to the power of n dx formula is x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. So this is the formula. So w is equal to 2 into x 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1, 1 to 3 limits. So here 2 is common, y, integral of dy is y, 2 to 6. Here 3 is common, integral of z square 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1, 3 to 1. Now substitute upper limit minus lower limit. 2 into x square by 2, 1 2 3, 2 into f dot dr, integral of f dot dr. So w is equal to integral 1 to 3 2x I cap into dx I cap plus integral 2 to 6 2j cap to dy j cap plus integral 3 to 1 3z square k cap dot dz k cap. W is equal to here 2x I cap into dx I cap I dot I 1. So integral 1 to 3 2x dx plus integral 2 to 6 2j dot dy j dot j gives 1 2 into dy plus integral 3 to 1 3z square k dot k 1 dz. 2 common, so x to the power of n form, x to the power of 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1, 1 to 3. Next 2 is common, integral dy gives y, 2 to 6. 3 is common, z 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1, 3 to 1. Now substitute upper limit minus lower limit. So z cube by 3, 3 to 1. So 3 3 cancel, 2 2 cancel. Then substitute upper limit minus lower limit. 2 whole cube minus 1 whole square plus 2 into 6 minus 2 plus 3 whole cube. First 1 whole cube minus 3 whole cube. Therefore, W is equal to 8 minus here this is the 3 whole square, that is 9 minus 1 plus 4 minus 6 minus 2 4 4 into 2 8 plus 1 cube is 1 minus 27, that is minus 26. Total value is here 8 plus 8 16 plus minus of 26, so that gives 10 joules. That is the answer. Band is stretched by a distance x. It exerts a restoring force of magnitude F is equal to ax plus bx square, where a and b are constants. Find the work done in a stretching unstretched rubber band by L. So this is the JEE main previous 2014 question. Is that the rubber band is stretched by a distance x. It exerts a restoring force F is equal to ax plus bx square, where a and b's are constant. Then you have to calculate the work done by the unstretched rubber band by L. So that means the length of the rubber band is L. So initially length is 0 to L. Then it is unstretched. Now there is a work done by the unstretched rubber band 0 to L F into dx. W is equal to 0 to L F ax plus bx square into dx. Variable separable 0 to L ax into dx plus integral 0 to L bx square dx. W is equal to a is common, integral of x to the power of n gives, so x square by 2 0 to L plus b into x cube by 3 0 to L. Substitute the upper limit minus lower limit. A L square by 2 plus b L cube by 3. So this is the work done by the restoring force on a unstretched rubber band. A particle of mass m is projected at an angle alpha in the horizontal with the initial velocity u. Find the work done by a gravity during the time it reaches the highest point. Particle of mass is projected vertically up with an initial velocity u and at an angle alpha with the horizontal, which is reaches to highest point. The vertical height Rj cap is equal to, this is the H maximum. So you know that H maximum is equal to u square sin square alpha by 2 g j cap. That is the maximum height of a projectile. Now we want to calculate the work done by the particle. W is equal to F dot S. Here work done under the gravity, F is equal to ma, but A is equal to G, which is in a downward direction. So F is equal to minus mg j cap. So W is equal to minus mg j cap into rj cap. So W is equal to minus mg dot here u square sin square alpha by 2g. So this is the F value, this is rj value. W is equal to minus mu square sin square alpha by 2. So there is a g gets cancelled. So this is the work done by the particle which is projected upward, highest point. F is equal to k into x square. F is equal to k into xi cap plus yj cap is working on a particle which moves from origin 0, 0 to a, 0 along x-axis, a, 0 to a, along y-axis. Find the work done by the force. F is equal to k into xi cap plus yj cap is the force acting on the particle which moves origin to a, 0, the next a, 0 to a, A particle is first starts from origin along x-axis, so the x coordinate is a, 0, which is present along x-axis. Then it is moves in a y direction, so the coordinate system is a, So if you take the displacement from the origin to the y-axis at a point P, therefore we can write the work done by the force acting on it, F dot S. So it is in a variable force, so W is equal to integral of F into dr. Therefore W is equal to integral of 0 to a then 0 to a k into x cap I plus yj cap dr means d of x cap I plus dyj cap. Now variables are available. K is common, so integral of 0 to a x I cap into dx I cap, so that is I dot I 1, so x into dx plus integral of 0 to a yj cap dot dyj cap, that is y dot y 1, so y into dy, k into integral of this is x dx gives x square by 2, 0 to a integral of y gives y square by 2, 0 to a. Substitute upper limit minus lower limit, so k a square by 2 plus k b a square by 2. So if you add, you will get w is equal to 2 ka square by 2. 2 gets cancelled, therefore the work done by the particle is ka square. Work done in a time t on a body of mass m which is accelerated from rest to a speed v in a time t1 as a function of t is given by. The problem, work done by a body in a time t, so in which accelerated from rest. So from rest means initial velocity 0, final velocity v. Then what is the acceleration? Acceleration is equal to change in velocity with respect to time. But the time given t is equal to t1. So a is equal to v minus 0 by t1. That is equal to v by t1. Equation number 1. But they have to calculate work done in terms of time function. W is equal to f dot s. We know that W is equal to f is equal to ma into s. We don't know the displacement of the body. Here we can calculate displacement of the body by using s is equal to ut plus of at square equation. So s is equal to 36. So work done is 28 plus. Like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon.